In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Lively account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.lively.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Lively. You can see over here initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, click on this option account and activation that you can see on the screen. Now over here you'll be able to find two options, my account, activation. Click on this option, my account. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface of Lively. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter your email and password over here. If you do not have the account yet, click on this option, create an account, and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. Now if you want to log into your account, click on the field of email and enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email. Now enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Lively account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.